Welcome to YS Online. Ako po si Dice, coming to you from the Suzuki Nihongo Learning Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. If you're new to this channel, check out our lesson library for your Japanese lessons in Tagalog. In our previous lessons, we learned how to describe nouns using adjectives or other nouns. Tulad ng a big house. So in Japanese, that's oki uchi. Anna's car is Ana-san no kuruma. Quiet place is shizuka na tokoro. If you'd like a refresher on modifying nouns, check out the links in the description box below. In today's lesson, matututunan natin ang iba pang paraan ng pagdidescribe ng nouns. Aside from adjectives and nouns, gagamit din tayo ng sentence or phrase with verbs to modify and describe nouns. And then we will learn how to describe time, an appointment or assignment, and an errand. Make sure to take some notes and feel free to rewind if you need some clarifications on our lessons. So, are you guys ready to learn Japanese in Tagalog? Come with me, let's go! Ang sentence or phrase na gagamitin natin pang describe sa noun ay dapat naka-plain form siya. So, for na adjectives, ma-retain ang na nito. At sa noun naman, kailangan ng no para makapag-describe. Tignan natin ang example na ito. A tall, black-haired person. Sa sentence na ito, ang modifying phrase natin ay ang a tall, black-haired, at ang noun naman ay person. Sabi natin kanina, dapat naka-plain form ang ating modifying sentence or phrase. Gagamitin natin ang pattern na ito. Modifying sentence, phrase, in plain form, plus noun. Sundan natin ang pattern. So, first, gawin natin plain form ang modifying phrase, a tall, black-haired. So, magiging, se ga takakute, kami ga kuroi, followed by a noun it modifies, which is the person. In Japanese, that's hito. So, ang modified noun natin ay se ga takakute, kami ga kuroi hito. Se ga takakute, kami ga kuroi hito. Okay? Alright, another example. Let's use the sentence, the person reading a newspaper, or taong nagbabasa ng dyaryo. Sundan lang natin ang pattern. Ang modifying phrase natin ay reading a newspaper. Newspaper in Japanese is shimbun, and reading is yomu. Ito ang plain form ng yomimasu. Ang modifying phrase natin ay shimbun o yomu. Then, susundan naman ng noun, which is hito. So, magiging ganito ang modified noun natin. Shimbun o yomu hito. Shimbun o yomu hito. So, this is one way of using a phrase or sentence to describe a noun. Ang modifying phrase ay ginagamit din sa iba't ibang sentence patterns. We can describe more about the noun with additional information in the modifying phrase tulad nito. Example, this is the house where Mr. Miller used to live. In Japanese, that's これはミラーさんが住んでいた家です。これはミラーさんが住んでいた家です。Sa sentence na ito, ginamit ang modifying phrase bilang predicate. Alright, tignan naman natin ito. The house where Mr. Miller used to live is old. In Japanese, that's ミラーさんが住んでいた家は古いです。ミラーさんは住んでいた家は古いです。Ang modifying phrase naman dito ay ginamit bilang topic ng sentence dahil sinusundan ito ng topic marker wa. Another example, I bought the house where Mr. Miller used to live. In Japanese, ミラーさんが住んでいた家を買いました。ミラーさんが住んでいた家を買いました。Dito naman, ginagamit ang modifying phrase bilang direct object ng verb kaimashita. Ginagamit din ang modifying phrase bilang location of existence tulad ng sentence na ito. There was a cat in the house where Mr. Miller used to live. In Japanese, ミラーさんが住んでいたうちに猫がいました。Ito ay ilan lamang sa mga pwedeng gamit ng modifying sentence or phrase. Kung mapapansin ninyo sa mga sentence natin, ginamit natin ang particle ga. Ito ang nagmamark sa subject ng modifying phrases. Alright, since alam na natin paano mag-modify ng nouns gamit ang modifying sentence phrase, kaya na natin sagutin ang mga tanong tulad nito. Donna uchi ga hoshii desu ka? Donna uchi ga hoshii desu ka? So, in Tagalog, that's anong klaseng bahay ang gusto mo? Let's say gusto mo ng bahay na malaki at may garden. Malaki is oki in Japanese. My garden is niwa ga arimasu. And gusto is hoshii. Gawin muna natin plain form ang modifying phrase okikute niwa ga aru. Siyempre, susunod na ang noun na dinidescribe nito, which is uchi. So, kumplituhin na natin ang sentence. We have okikute niwa ga aru uchi ga hoshii desu. Okikute niwa ga aru uchi ga hoshii desu. Alright, so that's how we use phrases or sentences to describe nouns. Next naman, ang susunod na gagawin natin ay magde-describe ng oras, appointment, or arrangement and lakad na kailangan para gawin ang isang bagay. Gagawin natin ang sentence pattern na ito, verb dictionary form, jikan, yakusoku, or yoji. Ang verb natin dito ay dapat naka-dictionary form siya, then susundan ng mga salitang jikan, yakusoku, or yoji. Kapag napapahayag ng oras para sa paggawa ng isang bagay, gagawin nating dictionary form ang verb bago ang salitang jikan. Verb dictionary form, jikan. Or sa English, it's time to verb. Halimbawa, gusto natin sabihin na wala akong oras na kumain ng umagahan or I don't have time to eat breakfast. So in this sentence, we describe the fact that we don't have time for something. Paano natin sabihin ito in Japanese? Okay, umagahan or breakfast is asagohan in Japanese. Kumain or to eat is tabemasu. No time or walang oras naman is jikan ga arimasen. Alright, let's put them together in a sentence and sundan natin ang pattern. First, we say asagohan wo. Then, ang dictionary form ng verb tabemasu. So, that's taberu. Now, we have asagohan o taberu. Then, we say jikan ga arimasen. Now, let's put them together. That's asagohan o taberu jikan ga arimasen. Asagohan o taberu jikan ga arimasen. Kapag gusto naman natin sabihin ang tungkol sa appointment or lakad, gagawin lang natin dictionary form ang verb bago ang salitang yakusoku at yoji. Verb dictionary form yakusoku or verb dictionary form yoji. So in English, I plan to, I have an appointment to verb. Halimbawa, I have an appointment to go see a movie with my friends. I have an appointment in Japanese is yakusoku ga arimasu. Movie is eiga. Friends is tomodachi. And the verb to see or to watch in Japanese is mimasu. So, kumpletuhin natin ang sentence. Tomodachi to eiga o. Then, dictionary form of the verb mimasu, which is miru. So, again, all in all, that's 友達と映画を見る約束があります。友達と映画を見る約束があります。Alright, so alam na natin paano sabihin sa Japanese ang mga lakad at appointments natin gamit ang pattern na natutunan natin ngayon. Bago matapos ang lesson na ito, hindi mawawala ang practice time. Subukan natin gumawa ng example sentences gamit ang pattern natin kanina. So, alam na natin paano mag-modify ng noun gamit ang phrase or sentence. Okay, subukan natin gumawa ng sentence gamit ang pattern modifying sentence, phrase, plain form, plus noun. I-translate ang mga sentence na ito at ilagay ninyo sa notebooks ninyo and sa comment section ang inyong mga sagot. Ready? The person wearing a black suit. The red bag that I bought in Japan, and the person driving a blue car. I don't have time to eat dinner tonight. I have an appointment to eat lunch with my friends. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you guys very much for watching as always. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell for more Japanese lessons in Tagalog. Tune in for the next lesson where we will discuss the plain form toki and plain form to. For YS Online, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne! If you're a full member of our YS Online program, be sure to use the quizzes and other resources available to you. Use our learning materials to help you pass the JFT, the JLPT, and other Japanese language exams. If you're interested in becoming a full member, hit us up at www.ysnlc.com. Classes are running full year and we are interested to hear from you guys. I'll see you next time.